In this video we are going to learn how to read people's mind and make them confess. Number 8. Utilize body language and micro-expressions. The way people behave and express themselves often reveals more than their words. Subtle cues, such as nervous habits or micro-expressions, can betray someone's true emotions or intentions. Learning to read these signs can be powerful in detecting deceit or understanding underlying feelings. In a scenario where a suspect's hands show a nervous tic, it can be a clear indication of guilt or stress, which might lead to further investigation. 7. Create a sense of urgency and authority. When trying to extract information or elicit a specific reaction, presenting oneself with confidence and authority can make a significant difference. This tactic involves taking control of the conversation, setting the pace, and projecting certainty in one's statements, thereby influencing others to respond more candidly or deferentially. For instance, confidently claiming knowledge about a situation can pressure others into revealing more than they intend. 6. Employ the power of suggestion. Sometimes, hinting at knowing more than you actually do can prompt people to divulge information. By suggesting you already have certain details, individuals might unwittingly confirm or elaborate on those points. This technique can be especially useful in interviews or interrogations where the goal is to piece together fragmented information. 5. Observe environmental and contextual clues. Paying close attention to the environment and contextual clues can provide insights that are not immediately obvious. Details such as the condition of objects, the arrangement of a scene, or inconsistencies in someone's story can all be critical pieces of the puzzle. For instance, noticing the unusual condition of a room or the presence of specific items can lead to deductions about what happened there. 4. Use role reversal to gain perspective. Putting oneself in another person's shoes can help in understanding their motives and actions. By considering how you would act or feel in a similar situation, you can anticipate their behavior and responses more accurately. This empathetic approach allows for more strategic questioning and interaction, potentially revealing hidden truths. 3. Exploit psychological pressure points. Identifying and leveraging what is most important to someone can be a powerful way to influence their behavior. Whether it's a loved one, a reputation, or a specific fear, applying pressure on these points can lead to breakthroughs in difficult conversations. This might involve subtle manipulation, such as bringing up personal connections or future consequences. 2. Master the art of misdirection. Sometimes, diverting attention away from the main issue can lead to spontaneous revelations. By engaging in seemingly unrelated topics or creating distractions, individuals might lower their guard and inadvertently reveal key information. This technique can also involve staging situations to see how someone reacts when they think they are not being watched. 1. Develop an intuitive sense of timing. Knowing when to push for answers and when to hold back is crucial. Timing can significantly affect the outcome of interactions, with moments of high stress or relaxation offering different opportunities for extracting information. Learning to read the flow of a conversation and adjusting your approach accordingly ensures that you maximize the chances of gaining useful insights.